In this video, I'm going to show you how to open HEIC files on your Windows computer. So HEIC files are usually files that have been created on an Apple device, and sometimes when you try to open these on your Windows computer, you'll get some sort of error message. So in order to open these, what you need to do is first head over to an internet browser, and from a search engine, you just want to type HEIC file to JPEG and hit enter. Now there's a bunch of free online tools that you can use to convert your HEIC file. The one that I like to use is this website here, heic2jpeg.com, and what you'll need to do is just select this button here, and then you'll just need to locate your HEIC file and double click on it, and then give that a couple of seconds to upload to the website. You can upload 5 photos at a time using this tool, and once that's finished, you can just click on the generated file like so, and that's going to automatically go ahead and download. So if I now come over to my downloads folder, you can see this is the file we've just downloaded, and if I double click this, it's now been converted to a JPEG, and we can now open it on our Windows computer. So that's it, guys. That's how you open a HEIC file on your Windows computer. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.